How to make him value you. Today, we'll talk about how to make a guy value you more so he'll want to commit to you. If you feel taken for granted and want a guy to feel like you're an exceptionally valuable woman in his life, I'll show you 5 different methods to make him feel like you're that fantastic, precious, unique woman in his life. Watch this video with your full attention and follow the 7 steps in the provided order in order to make him value you more and commit to you forever. 1. Realize your own worth first. First and foremost, you cannot go around showing your worth to others if you are unaware of your own worth. This is the main problem when learning how to make your partner realize your value. You don't value yourself or perceive your worth. If you did, you would never allow someone to disrespect you like this. Let go of the negatives, focus on the positives, and learn to love yourself. Everything will change, believe it or not. You'll notice that you walk a bit higher, everything feels better, and you have a lot rosier perspective as a result. 2. Take a step back. Taking a step back is a terrific technique to understand how to make him appreciate your worth. Calm down a little, be distant, and avoid making him your main focus. He'll begin to wonder what happened, which will help him shift his attention. 3. Try some radio silence. It's time to stop being the one who always messages or calls first. You may surely respond if he texts or calls you, but wait a few moments before answering. Also, don't run when the phone rings. Sometimes it's necessary to be slightly silent for a while in order for someone to notice your absence and wonder what's going on. It's absolutely one approach to figure out how to make him see your worth. 4. Keep yourself busy. If your partner fails to give you the attention you deserve, shift the focus away from him and back onto yourself. Keep yourself busy and engaged. It will be much easier. You may also explore new activities and make new friendships, boosting your social life and overall happiness. Ironically, all of this will make you desirable in his eyes. 5. Stop telling him and start showing him that his conduct is unacceptable. When words fail, you must demonstrate your dissatisfaction via your actions. Actions surely speak louder than words. Not responding to his messages or calls right away is one possibility, but make sure that everything you do shows that you're not pleased with being made to feel insignificant. 6. Learn to say no. You must learn to say no to him and show him that his behavior is unacceptable. You certainly want to be the cool girlfriend. Sorry, but you're going to have to be the bad guy from time to time. Women are famous for agreeing to things they do not want to do. In fact, you probably say yes a lot more than no, which gives him the impression that he doesn't have to work very hard. It's time to make him work harder. 7. Assert your independence. In relationships, we sometimes go to great lengths to make our spouses happy without recognizing it. When you do everything for someone, they become used to it. He needs to realize that you have a life that is apart from him. It's beneficial for couples to spend time apart, visiting friends and relatives. So don't be afraid to go out to a cafe with your girls on a Friday night. 8. Speak out if you are unhappy. Many women will bite their tongues and remain silent about matters that vex them. However, this is not something you should do. If you are dissatisfied with what he has done, you must speak out. Otherwise, he'll never understand how you feel and will never change his conduct. Choose your battles wisely, but don't become a doormat. Well, that's all about it. By now, you should have a better idea of how to make a guy appreciate your value. Listen, if he isn't changing after you've sat down with him a number of times and explained your concerns, you should leave. Yes, you heard that right. If nothing changes, allow him to go. He adds nothing to the relationship or to your life, and you're wasting your time on a man who doesn't care about you. Thanks for watching.